Hello everyone, it is me, Dejanique, the owner of NILUXE Glow, and someone requested for me to show you how to apply our body souffles and how much. When it comes to the amount, I say maybe like a piece small amount, or it depends on where you're putting it. Like if I'm putting it on my leg, I know to get a lot. If I'm putting it on my arm, let me show you. Like say you want to get some and put it on your hand, then you just take like the tiniest bit and then you would just rub it in. And see, look, like just with that little bit, your hands already look oily. And if I want to put it on my arm, and I'll just take a little bit more. And this is how my arm look without no body souffle. And so as you can see, this is how my arm look now. Small shine. It's not too shiny. That's the point of body souffle, that it's basically like oil, but it's not oily. So, but if you want more of an oily look, then you could just apply some more. And bam, now it looks more oily. And I'm telling you, this is a glow that's gonna last all day. This is a radiant glow. I'm hoping this video was helpful. I use this body butter, well, body souffle every day. I'm telling you, this is amazing. It's cute, fun, it's vibrant, it's creative.